Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Okay, good morning once again. So before you will take your seats, could you please pick up some pieces of brushes and then please arrange your chairs to the alignment up. Alright, you can now take your seats. Okay, so how are you feeling today? Namangubang talan? Okay pa mo? Okay, so today I will be your teacher. But before we will start, let me introduce you our classroom rules teachers. So before we'll start, so here our classroom rules. So the first one, we have one mouth policy. Kay Bawa naman ang tanan, no? So one mouth policy. So I want all of you, there's someone talking in front, I want you to pay attention. Mag-lesson mo if there's someone talking in front so that maka-answer mo during our kananakoy panghatag ninyo nga questions. And then, the second one is be participative or be cooperative. I want all of you to participate during our activities. Nakoy pa, activities karon. And then, ikatulo is be attentive or be a good listener. Like for example, kanang ay inyong classmates, kanang share baron sa ilang own opinions or ilang thoughts. So I want you to listen and respect kung sa ilang mga own mga thoughts. And the last one is be respectful. Kay baron man dulong sa respect. Yes. So, respect is very important, no? Dili lang sa classroom, but kung asa ta, mo lakaw. Ato na siya dalan-dalan permi. So, now, ready na ba maka-learn ang grade 10? Eros?
Yes.
Okay. So, if you're ready then, clap once daw, if you're ready. Okay, so if you are ready then clap twice. Okay, so, now, since kailangan naman yung maka-learn, so let's have an activity. So, this activity called Gives It to Win It. So, all you have to do is I will show you a picture. And all you have to do is to guess what is being presented. So, here's the first picture. So, anyone say, kanang pagpapin niyo ang picture?
Doctor.
Yes, doctor. Very good. Yes. The second picture. Wow, very good. The third one. Yes. Yes, very good. Something siya. Therapist. Physical therapist. And the fourth one is nurse. Yes, very good. So now, para dyan mas motivate mo kayo mga na-observe dyan ako kung nagkatugod pa ng mga grade 10. So, I observe. So, we have another activity. So, this activity called Complete Me. So, all you have to do is to think at least one na kaninong mga paper and inyong i-paste sa space divided. Balik na na siya, concept map na siya. So, inyong i-paste ang kaninong mga word. If para ninyo, nabilog ba siya ani nga self-career components. Okay, anyone will volunteer? Magwan? Okay? Is 6. 6 million.
6 ulang. Siguro. 6.
Girls, tayo na dito siya tayo. Okay, ako na rin mong pick. Yes? Ikaw? Ikaw? Yes, sister? Can you please stand?
Galag, dapat malalag.
Here siya i-inspire ninyo na bilog ba siya sa health, career, and instant moments. So, isa pa may layman, sir. Ikaw. Sabi. Napa? Ma'am, how about you? Ma'am, can you please stand? Okay, very good. So do you think alin yung mga gipang face, alin yung mga words is correct? Nalala mo siya sa health career and its components?
Yes.
Yes, no. Ano malaman ninyo gipick ang lack of skills, disabilities, and no management? Okay, wala siya na? Hello. So now, I will present you a video. And all you have to do is to observe. Okay, I will give you a question. Okay, so what have you observed in the video? About siya sa career. Yes, very good. So, what do you think is the connection of the video to our topic today? So, it's all about career. So, do you have any idea what would be our topic this morning? It's all about based sa kanilang mga activities. Our health career, about sa video. Naku, may idea kung sa ato kanang kantaran? Kanta ko na yes? No? Another? Yes? Can you please stand?
Bien, están bien.
It's all about based sa kanilang mga activities. Yes, very good. Okay, so it's all about health career plan. So before that, I will introduce you our objectives first. So at the end of the discussion, all of you will identify health career and its steps, perform a short drama that illustrates the responsibilities of healthcare professionals, and appreciate the importance of health career in achieving goals. So now, let's define what is career first. So, unsa man din yung career? Do you have any idea? Unsa man yung career? Work. Yes, work. So, ang career is an occupation or profession that requires special training. So, ang career daw, ano siya ang mga profession that requires special training. So, for example, ano nga natin ng bilang ang kanyang mga kanang teacher, then kanang business, mga engineer, kanang nasa kanang medicine, which is kanang doctor, kanang nurse, mga dentist, mana sila, mana yung mga example sa career. So, makaingon pa nga, kanang mga profession, nag-needs din siya og mga special na mga training. Kaya dili pa na basta-basta nga mga career mo. Tuo mo?
Yes.
Okay. Or just a reminder lang the class, if makakita mo something mo flash na
Sir, ayun! Ayun pa, sir!
Okay? So give me at least one example of career. At least one example. Example. Career. Example career. Oh, pwede na siya. Very good. Dapat, ay please take to tayo kay mag-con kung mga doktor na health career. So, na-identify na ito ang career na po. Health career. So, ang health career, so everybody read.
Design to familiarize students with the various careers in the medical profession and allied health services.
So, ang health career mo na siya, it refers to healthcare services. Kung ang career mo ka siya mga various mga professions, ang health career, nag-focus ulit siya rely sa mga healthcare services. For example, is the doctor. Diba? Mag-focus ulit siya sa health. The doctor, ang sa pag-ito, doctor. Yes. Yes. Muna siya ang example. So, for example, sa kanang mabilang siya sa clinic na services kung doktor, ang nurse, o ang dentist. Well, sa allied health services na nila nabilang ang katong mga physical therapist. Ang physical therapist, makatabang na siya para sa man. But, yes, of course, very good. Makatabang siya para makuha daw ato ang kagalingon. Ma-relax daw, inang si Miss Enzo. Yes. And then, they are the one responsible if panangitan may makuha sa itong mga jewels, di ba? Responsible nila nga i-align nila nga ito ang mga kwan sa itong body para ma-function ka to function properly. So, another is na dira na bilong ang sa allied health services ang radiologic technologies. Ang example na is X-ray. Nakakuha na mo? Ay, wala mo pa-try X-ray no, but familiar mo sa word na X-ray. Yes. X-ray, like for example, parang X-ray ang lungs. Sa X-ray, dira na ito ma-identify if healthy ba ang lungs, di ba? Dira na ito ma-identify if nabay na damage na usa ka lungs or kanang okay ra ba ang lungs. So, makatabang siya. So, ang health career is very important, you know. Kaya they are the one nga makatabang sa ato or mo provide sa ato para sila ang mag-treat sa ato, di ba? Di ba, kuanan sa nila o sa kuan mga treatment para ikuan na ang mga disease. Ang mga person nga na mga illness, di ba sila ang mo paayos ng mga tao nga na ay sakit. Yes, very good. What is the difference between career and health career? Career? Sige, sige. Make your life voice down. Okay. Isa may matubos ni Mr. Teo. Yes? Ay, kasi ba niya? Ay, Teo. Okay. Sit down. Miss Leia. Adenson.
Okay, so career is focused on the arts professions and doctors. Why din na siya nga for the professions in a health career, but focus siya sa mga naa sa health industry or sa kanang mga medicine industry, but focus sila sa atong health.
Wow, very good. Give a hand to me. So, so ang career, na-focus na siya, na-involve nila ang mga various ng mga professions. Well, ang health careers, else is ang mga healthcare services. Magbago sila sa health. So now, let's proceed. Okay, and now let's proceed the four components and steps in making a healthcare plan. So there are four. So ang first kay self-assessment, ang ikaduha, kay career exploration, masyado ng ikatulong kay decision making, and the last one is plan of action. So what is self-assessment? So self-assessment is discovering your personal strength through self-assessment, like among values, your interests, personality, as well as your skills. So ang self-assessment, dili na may tabo ang evaluating yourself, including your abilities, your skills, your interests, as well as your performance. So if mag-evaluate mo sa inyong self, dili ninyo ma-identify kung sa ba ang mag-needs of improvement, di ba? Eh, kung ba ninyo, mag-reflect ba mo sa inyong kagalingan? Ha? Gamay rin, mag-reflect sila kagalingan? So, with that, if mag-reflect ta sa ito ang mga personal strength, our interest, dili na to makita kung unsa man ang mga dapat ka na to ma-improve or manalitan. Maayo na ta diri kuan. For example, in classroom setting, so naamoy ka ng group work na kanang magkuan ba mo og kanang mag-create ba mo og kanang creative dance ngin ana. So as a member, then di ba dili man jud ay ba mo manayatanan to ko nga atik mo manayatanan. But di ba maingon ta nga kanang makaingon, di ba makaingon sa itong kagalingon, mabisag kaya na ito, maingon ta nga, di na ako makaya, nagtungod sa kakadlong, kakalba, minana. So if mag-reflect sa ito ang kagalingon, ato siya ma-overcome ang mga challenges ko. Nanalitan, maingon ta nga, asa may need na ko i-improve, asa may need na ko kanang i-kuan pa, more practice, mag-need pa siya o more practice. Diba? If mag-reflect sa itong mga strength, interest, na yung possibility nga maka-overcome ka sa mga challenges. So, pondo. Give at least one pondo on a personal strength of a person. Unsa man? Yes? Including your mga personal strengths of a person. Like ka ng mga talents ninyo. Yan ka ng mga inyong mga talents, inyong mga ability na kanang maka-overcome mo sa mga challenges. So next one we have career exploration. So everybody read.
We can explore different careers and work environment through career fairs, online research meetings, alumni connections, and professional resources.
Okay, so when we say career exploration, mao ni siya ang journey of a person's work combining with their different jobs as well as their abilities and ilang mga skills na na-gain over time. Like, for example, ang mga mga person or mga person na nag-look of mga careers, mag-explore sila to find if asa nga job or profession nga fit sa ilaha. You believe nga na yung anak ng mga tao?
Yes.
Yes na magdepende sila kung unsa ang asa naka-align ang ilang abilities as well as their strength and interest. Kaya di ba if mag-work ta sa tanang pananilitan, mag-work ta sa kuan, but dili na to gusto. Do you think na ay kanang nindot nga outcome naman tabo if imo na siyang gikuan pero di mo kagustuhan? Di ba dili? Di ba sir? Yes. So, that's why in choosing career, it should be aligned sa imong strength, sa imong makaya as well as your interest kung asa ka Kana mag-enjoy at saka malipay din anak. So,
Knowledge is there.
sige, anyone who will come na lang. So, sa ganito ang self-assessment. Ang self-assessment is, yes, reflect na to ha.
Personal stress.
The next one, we have decision making. So, maayo mamudiri mo, decide. Okay? Parang when it comes to dealing with problems sa may anak. Okay. So, in decision making, it is very important to listing your pros and cons, mga advantage and disadvantages. So, to make sure na kung kay effective na decision making or ma-ensure na ito nga na mga better na mga outcomes na mahitabo, dapat mag-list ka sa imong mga advantage o mga disadvantages. So, for example, kanang example na lang ako dito sa classroom setting. Like si teacher, maghatag siya o group nga, kanang kuan. Group, oh yes, group activity. Very good. Group activity. So, inyong ay ba't si teacher, before siya ng kuan, nagbuta na anay siya sa inyong mga kanang opinions, if okay ra ba ninyo ang group activity or individual lang activity. So, inyong list kung may advantage o disadvantage kung group activity o individual. So, makaingon tayo nga kung group activity, ang advantage niya is na ay collaboration. Magtinabangay ang isika member together with the leader. Well, ang disadvantage, so may disadvantage kung group activity. Yes, magkalitan ka na. Yes, maingon no nga, bilidad na sa leader ko ito. Di ba? Kaya wala ko leader nga, kanang dili mo liyaw no, kay of course, ang leader, sila ang lead. But, disadvantage siya kay in this group activity, this night teamwork, magsalig na ako ba nga members. Well, compared to individual na activity, ang advantage niya is wala kay lain na kaya ikaw naman mismo ang mag-one sa mga idea kung saan pag-come up ato nga project. Well, ang disadvantage kay pressure siya no, kaya ikaw usa, wala man kay kuanan, wala kay katabang nga mukuan sa activity mo gama sa project. So, another is comparing your personal strength and interest. So, naragyapon din na nabilong ang personal strength kung ang interest. So, in decision making, it is very important gapon na mag-identify kung asa ta, maayo as well as naka-align sa ato ang interest. And then, the last one is deciding careers fulfills both current and future goals. So, now, the last one or the last component in making career plan is plan of action. So, dili na makita po ang mag-plan of achievable mga goals. Na ba may goals sa inyong life? Yes! Yes, na ano? How about you? Na may goals sa inyong life? Ano? Impossible, di ba? No? Dili na mahitabo ang mag-plan daw ka ang mga achievable na mga goals. And then, if mag-plan na ka o goals, of course, sa may baton, na kay mga strategy nga pang gamiton. Diba? Kaya if ang goal ni mo, if wala kay action, ano may mahitabo? Wala. Walay? Yes, walay outcomes nga nindot. Wala may makita nga improvement. Agree na mo?
Yes.
Why? Diba? So, ang next, diba, mag-develop naman ka mga strategy to achieve your goals. So, next one is, iba na siya ikon ng mga strategy into smaller steps and identify actions for each step. So, magdikan jud ka sa start to hantod na success, diba? Moagi ka og mga struggles, challenges to overcome that challenges. And then, para ma-achieve na ang di-practice na nimo sa imo self, then if you practice then do it na. Do it your plan regularly. Dili lang kay kausa, dili lang kay usahay, but permi. Permi ninyo, permi mo mag-set of goals. Like for example, mag-set of goals na akong goal karon dito, maka-graduate ko. Diba? So, sa may buhaton para maka-graduate. Yes, mga boys, kailan no? Dili mo kasi panghuiab. Okay. So, dili na mahitabo kay mingo manggod sila ay nakoy nabasa ang quote na kanang a goal to know without action is useless. Ito, no?
Yes.
Diba kung natay goal niya, kung wala tayo goal na action. So, wala rin mahitabo nga kanang dili I mean wala yung mahitabo nga achieve na dili na to ma-achieve kung unsa nga tuang goal na ato ang set. That's why if we have a goal, dapat mag-set jud ta og magkuan ta og action. We should take an action sa to ang goal. Okay, so what are the 4 components and steps in making health career plan? Next thing.
Self-assessment, career exploration, decision making, and plan of action.
Yes, very good. So, now, yes, Mr. What's your name? Can you please stand? Yes. Can you please stand? Okay, in your own words, based on your own understanding, what is career? It's all about mga profession. Yes, very good. Okay, another. How about you? Please start. Okay. So what are the 4 components and steps in making health career plan? Okay. Self-assessment. Okay. Career exploration and decision making Okay. So now, since you have learned during our discussion, let's have an activity. So, this activity, I want you to sing a Bahay Kubo song. Kaya ba? Magkantag Bahay Kubo?
Yes!
Okay, Bahay Kubo song. So, I will give you a rolled paper with a question written. Nani?
Question.
So, all you have to do is to pass the paper with your classmates, and whoever ends up holding the paper with the song stamps will answer the question na naka-answer niya. So, dili ta mag-start. Okay, ako nang ipon ang paper, so mag-start na magkanta sa habay ko po. 3, start.
Based on your own interests and skills, which health career do you see yourself pursuing in the future? What steps will you take to achieve this career goal? Actually, wala sa field of health.
But if magwantag ka ng career someday, basta man ang imong ka ng kuan.
Audiologist.
And what step will it take to to achieve that goal?
Have a self-improvement,
Okay, so give me So now, to really assess or test your knowledge, so I want you to get one whole sheet of paper. Or anything kanang masuwatan ninyo sa kanila. Or notebook na lang, notebook. Anything ang masuwatan ninyo. Okay. So this activity, pagtuan mo, mag-create mo for your class. So ang title na niya sa inyo, i-create is My Future Health Career Plan. So the first one is mag-choose mo og health career. Like, or one na lang, kung sa mga career and yung gusto. Like, naka-base sa inyong interest. And then the second is create a simple career path. Like, for example, kanang gamitan. Ay, balikan mo rin, bahala kung kung sa inyong gamitan nga besides to the pure output creative. Like, for example, ladder ba rin ninyo, pinaanak. Tapos, pinalasa na butang ng success. Or kanang mountain ba inyong gamiton. And then, next is i-label ninyo ang each step. Kada kuha, ninyo siyang butangan. Kung sa man ng mga paaging, inyong buhaton to achieve that goal or kanang nga career. Sa man inyong buhaton, inyong mga kanang mag-study, mag-practice, mag-needs of improvement, anak. So, and then, the last is present your work. So, I will choose at least one nga mo present sa ilang work. Marisa, Francis. 5 minutes. Just a short one lang for career path. Mag-think mo kung sa may mga career nga kanang gusto ninyo. Mga na-align sa inyo mga kanang interest, sa inyong abilities. Mga na ganahan mo kung mag-police. Or ganahan mo kung mag-teacher. Ganahan kung mag-doctor. Then inyong ikuan kung unsa man ang design na inyong gamitin. And then inyong i-label kung unsa man yung mga steps or way para ma-achieve na ang goal. Mawala siya. Short lang siya mga kuan. Isa po lang. Anything mga kuan. O pwede rin na kanang kuan na good dash or nakabulit na siya. Pwede rin na. Pwede rin ninyo i-bullet. Kung unsa ang mga steps ninyo buhaton to achieve. Mana? Wala pa? Just assure lang ako mga kuan sa inyong career. Mga purpose na inyong gusto na mag-take. Bulangan doon yung focus. Focus mo para ma-achieve ko yung goal. Check nga na. Nag-answer mo? og career na siya gusto. And then imo siya i-label ug unsa man ang mga steps nga imong buhaton para ma-achieve na goal. So kaya lang siya iulit na lang para mas madali. Okay, time is up. Wala pa? Kuan, create a system. Like ikaw ang magbuo kung unsaon nimo pagpaad, kung unsaon nimo ang mag-decide to make like katong giyo nga iulit na lang para mas madali. Like tuldok pa. Tuldok na lang, ayun na lang pag-create. Ano mo? Are you done? Okay, submit your topic. Submit your paper. Okay, so when mo present si Miss Denso sa iyahang kanang output, so itiwas ninyo o kung ang inyong kanang okay. Can you please share your iyong output?
So, my choosing my choosing career is to be a lawyer. Like any kind of lawyer to serve justice for those people who are voiceless. So step 1 is to study hard for me to graduate junior high and kaning senior high para in the college pursue na ako ang akong pinahan-attain na kurso. And after that, have self-improvement and keep learning. Then step 3, never give up despite of facing a lot of challenges and problems because at the end of the day, ato man ang kaning malampasan as long as kanang naatay hope sa na ma-achieve nato ato ang goal. Then step 4 is to keep learning about law, mag-review og mga thesis, and have a self-practice, gain a lot of confidence while pursuing my goal. Then the last one is to be successful at the end of the day. If ako nitong buhaton, if ako buhatin ang mga steps, for sure with by praying sana ko ang kanang ma-reach akong goal and sooner ma-successful. That's all.
Oh, very good. Please you can please submit your papers. Time is up. Submit your papers and stand. Time na. Mana? Okay. Everyone, please. Submit your Okay, so for your assignment, so please let's study about career pathways. Different career Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for your cooperation and God bless. Goodbye and thank you, Mom.